What it mean to be the best? Riding foes, feeling unimpressed. Make me reminisce, throwing bows, bend the corner, set my mind up on the goal. All I know is stay down, bad, I'm the goal. Okay, feel like the best, the great. Now ain't no debate. Yeah. Okay, feel like the best, the great. Now ain't no debate. Yeah. I ain't gotta say much. Know the boy got a touch. Another win for the rush. Another win for the rush. See me once and got a crush. See you twice and that's enough. Get the ring sized up, and that's for the championship. Yeah, I dropped in, feeling like I need a top 10. Clean sweep, get the mopped in. No roof, yeah, I hopped in. Champagne spraying, popped in. Paramedics on the speed dial. Turn the party to a mosh pit. Locked in. Supreme confidence, can't do broken promises. You can't talk the way I talk when you ain't got no accomplishments. On top taking up space, ain't no room for occupants. Always knew I had to glow, ain't no chance of blocking it. Okay, feel like the best, the great. Now ain't no debate.
So eto na guys yung linya ng reverse, yung pink black. Diyan natin i-connect yung ating reverse light, reverse camera without wire tapping. So hindi tayo magbabalat kasi mabuboid yung warranty ng sasakyan. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo guys pag natapos na. Ito yung ginawa natin guys, no? Pinasok lang natin tong wire na to sa socket nitong pink, linya ng pink. Tapos saka natin sinara. Ayan, para wala tayong kinat na wire dito. Malinis nating tinrabaho yan para hindi mabuboid yung warranty. Ngayon, kung halimbawa nagkaroon ng aberya to, nag-claim ka ng warranty, patanggal mo muna sa akin to kasi makikita nila ganun pag mag-claim ka ng warranty, tanggalin mo yung makinabit bago ka mag-claim doon. Ganun lang. Pero malabo naman sa 100%, 30% lang naman yung bumabalik sa warranty. So dito naman guys yung ating power supply, dito natin pinadaan, no? Punta dito, yan. Tapos pinagapang natin dito sa ilalim nito. Yan, hanggang dito. Tapos yun, lumabas na doon. So wala tayong makikitang mga wire na nakalabas diyan guys. So yun, tapos na yung ano natin, bali ipa-proper na lang natin yung kuha ng camera sa likod. Ngayon ang last step natin guys, ipa-proper na natin yung camera nya. Kailangan pag umatras siya, accurate sa makikita niya doon sa camera sa loob, para pag umatras siya hindi mababangga yung likod niya. So ipapantay lang natin yung camera na to. So ito na nga guys, no? Ayan, kita nyo naman, no? Nung ma-check natin ito, accurate naman lahat, kaya naging successful na yung ating installation. Kaya yon, shoutout dito sa aking tropa na nagpa-install ng dashcam. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa mga susunod yung video guys, paalam.